you're eating less and working out more, yet the scale refuses to budge. For many women over 40, this isn't a lack of discipline, it's a biological survival response. When weight plateaus, the common reaction is to slash calories further and join high-intensity, loud group fitness classes to force the body into submission. But the 40-plus biology interprets that extreme exertion and restriction as a crisis. Instead of burning fat, your system enters a state of high alert to protect your vital functions. This gauge shows the famine response. When the deficit is too aggressive, your metabolism drops into a shutdown zone. Your body starts hoarding energy because it believes food has become scarce. Treating your body like a simple machine will continue to fail. To restart weight loss, you have to shift your strategy from applying pressure to signaling total safety to your nervous system. Establishing safety begins with identifying your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. Clinical protocols in Germany use multi-day tracking to find this baseline, the exact number of calories your body needs to maintain its current weight. Cutting intake 30% breaches that BMR safety threshold. Once you cross that red line, the body halts fat loss to preserve stores. To stay above the alarm system, a 10% reduction keeps the body out of panic mode, releasing fat steadily. Consistently hitting this precise mathematical balance is difficult without the resources of a full-time professional handler, tracking every gram of food around the clock. For most, dietary safety is achieved by eating consistent, moderate meals throughout the day. This steady supply of energy teaches your body it doesn't need to hold on to stored fat for survival. Physical movement also dictates your stress levels. There is a massive gap between the frantic, collective energy of a cardio class and the controlled environment of lifting iron in the gym. Group classes force you past natural limits, leading to a jagged cortisol spike. This excess stress hormone signals the body to store fat. Conversely, heavy weightlifting allows calm exertion. Isolating muscle without cardio panic yields a steadily rising metabolic rate and balanced hormones. Building muscle does more than burn calories. It protects your aging joints and increases your capacity to process carbohydrates. This allows you to eat for both fuel and the serotonin boost that carbs provide. Physical safety isn't about avoiding hard work. It's about avoiding biological alarm. Lifting iron builds a resilient metabolism, keeping your nervous system in a state of quiet focus. You don't need the high impact of cross-trainers or marathons to lose weight. Plain, low-impact walking is often the most effective tool for hitting a sustainable deficit. The math is straightforward. Combine a 10% diet cut with light gym sessions and 10,000 daily steps. This stack creates a 700-calorie deficit, which is exactly what's needed to lose 1 kilogram safely. This protocol produced a clear result in Dubai. By shifting from high-intensity training to this mathematical balance, I dropped from 62 kilograms down to 54. When joints are protected by muscle and low-impact movement, you maintain mobility. This ensures your body stays capable of endurance activities well into later life. Walking removes the cortisol-heavy urgency of intense cardio. It turns weight loss into a passive, safe background process that your body doesn't feel the need to fight. Weight loss is also influenced by mental safety. Psychological rushing and the habit of living in a constant hurry keep your nervous system in a state of perpetual agitation. This habit leads to hormonal chaos. To protect your biology, you must learn to let the world wait, rather than letting the pressure of others panic your system. Your internal state eventually shows up in physical markers. A clear, sharp boundary between the pink nail bed and the white tip can be seen as a biological marker of a regulated system that knows how to separate itself from external stress. That physical boundary reflects an interpersonal one. It represents the ability to offer help to others on your own terms, like setting a hard stop to your availability after 5 p.m. to protect your own peace. When you fail to set these boundaries, your body creates its own protection. A highly sensitive scalp or unexplained hair loss can be the biological result of a nervous system that is overwhelmed by the negative energy and demands of others. Health after 40 is an act of deep self-protection. By lifting iron, walking for peace, and building strict emotional boundaries, you finally provide your biology the safety it needs to let go of the weight.